Okay, this is Module 9, Lesson 4. This lesson is titled Use One-Step Equations to Solve a Variety of Problems. So we're taking what we just learned in the last lessons with addition, subtraction, multiplication and division equations, and we're combining all of that into one lesson. So you need to make sure you're being a careful reader so you can decide what operation that we are using. So if you're following along in the book, it's on page 295. The sum of the measures of two angles shown is 180. So this straight line, anytime you have a straight line, you're at 180 degrees. This angle right here is 67 degrees, but we do not know this angle measure right here. The only reason this word angle right there is highlighted in blue is because it's a previous vocabulary word that you should know what it is. In the diagram, the unknown angle measure is labeled x. What is the measure of the given angle? The given angle is 67 degrees. So A was pretty simple right there. Now, write an equation to represent the relationship in the diagram. So we have x. This is a plus sign. It's kind of not very bright in your book. And 67. So we're taking x, whatever x is plus 67 needs to go to 180 degrees because 180 is a straight line. I'm bringing this down. The opposite of adding 67 is subtracting 67, so it goes away there. Do the same thing on this side, just like we did in the other lessons. 180 minus 67 is 113. So this side is 113 degrees. And we'll do this on the next page. And on this one, we don't need this. I just had, when I copied it, I had to make sure I copied the 3 cell phone thing. A store sells 3 cell phone cases for the price shown, which is $50.25. We're going to write and solve an equation to find out how much money x, so our variable is x, the store charges for each case. The word each means multiplication. Write an equation to represent the situation. So 3 phone cases cost a total of $50.25. I got that information right there. And now we need to solve the equation using the division property. So the opposite of multiplying is dividing. So if I divide by 3 on this side, I'm going to divide by 3 on this side. 50.25 divided by 3 is $16.75. Okay, in your book, you're turning to page 296. And we're going to find about Paul and his laptop. Paul has his laptop open at a 105-degree angle. So if you look over here at the picture, the bottom's here, the top of it, he moves all the way up there. He closes his laptop to a 19-degree angle, so he closed it to right here, or less. The laptop will go to sleep. How many degrees x, so our variable is x, does Paul need to close his laptop before it will go into the sleep mode? And now we're going to write an equation. So I know it's going to be equal to 105 because that's how far it's going to go open. And our other one is 19. So I'm going somewhere between 19 and 105 before it can fall asleep. Let me rewrite it here. And I'm using the subtraction property of equality. That means I'm going to be subtracting 19 from each side because that cancels it out over there. And 105 minus 19 is 86. So this measure from here to here is 86 degrees. And if I do 19 plus 86, I will be getting 105. Let's look at number 4. The picture shows the flat and angle positions that an artist likes her tablet in when drawing. So this is the flat, this is the angled. The flat viewing angle measures 180 because a straight line is 180. What is the measure of the unknown angle? So right here we have 180. Here we have 42, and we're trying to find this. So 42 plus what is 180? And they already kind of have to set up for us. Remember, the variable stands for the unknown quantity. Let me rewrite our 42 plus x equals 180. The 42 is on the same side as the variable, so that's the number that we're dealing with. The opposite of adding 42 is subtracting 42. So we have an x left on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, we have 180 minus 42, which is 138. So the unknown angle is 138 degrees. So right here is 42, and right here is 138. If I take 138 and add 142, or not 142, just 42, I will get 180. And that's all there is for the build understanding / step it out.